Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on Monday, during a press conference in Bengaluru, stated that it was the state government that put the Namma Metro fare hike on hold and not the central government. On Thursday, February 5th, 2026, the Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation Limited had announced a zone-wise revision of metro fares which will be effective from February 9th as part of its annual automatic fare adjustment system. According to the announcement, fares were set to increase by 1 rupees to 5 rupees depending on the distance travelled. In some cases, the hike would go up to 11 rupees with the maximum fare reaching 95 rupees. This announcement triggered strong backlash from daily commuters in Bengaluru. Subsequently, on Saturday, February 7th, BJP MP Tejasvi Surya announced that the fare hike had been put on hold following instructions from Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. The official confirmation regarding the pause in the fare hike came on Sunday. Responding to these claims, D.K. Shivakumar asserted that the state government was responsible for putting the fare hike on hold and that the central government had no role in the decision. Addressing the press conference in the city, Shivakumar explained that Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation Limited had revised fares based on the formula linked to operation, maintenance and repair costs. Adding to the existing cost structure is based on the consumer price index energy. Shivakumar further stated, I have directed Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation Limited to come up with the fare revised. The cost is high and I have instructed Namma Metro to recalculate the fares. He also clarified that the security and certain other aspects of Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation Limited operations are maintained by the central government. He said the fare fixation committee would rework the fare structure based on the prescribed formula and arrive at a reasonable fare hike. Meanwhile, the Congress party claimed that the state government had no authority over fare revision as the fare fixation committee is chaired by a person appointed by the central government. According to officials, fare hike was the duty bound to revise fares annually. However, the BJP has countered this by stating that it was the state government that requested the constitution of the fare fixation committee. Leaders of the opposition R. Ashoka stated that all Bengaluru metro tenders are called and monitored by the state government, adding another dimension to the ongoing political exchange over the fare hike issue.
Doing any work without bringing any money to the government, without bringing any money to Bangalore, without helping the people of Bangaloreans. He wanted to take a false propaganda. I never expected, he has a lot of future. I never expected that he will go to this level. Making this type of.
He took empty box and he's using language.
Let him bring some money. Let him go. Let him bring some crores. Let him propose a project. Let him bring some money from the central government. Let him take the claim.
Why all these things are happening?
Let him take it. Let him bring. Let him ask for a project what to be submitted. We'll give up a proposal to him. Let him bring money. Then let him claim that yes, I have done this great thing to Bangalore.
Is it only a advertising game you say, sir?
Nothing. You feel that he's a parliament member. Whatever he tells you, are going to publish. He's just speaking all, which is false news.
The whole BJP ministers and LOP, leader of opposition, are also saying, sir, arresting a MP is a crime that Congress government did. But you have made a rule that everybody can protest in Freedom Park.
Yes. See, we also didn't protest. No, we also went. See, Rahul Gandhi and Kargeji wanted to do their protest. Within 100 feet, there was a election commission office. To respect the law of this state and the High Court, they did not go to the court, this election commission, from the Freedom Park. Just only 100 meters. We said, no, you should not do that. It will be very embarrassing for the police officers and the government. You should not do that. So they said no. They agreed to our suggestions. And myself and G.C. Chandrasekhar, we met to the election commission and we gave our representation. Recently also, we wanted to go to BJP office, but we are not able to go. That is why we went to Raj Bhavan. The police took us in a bus.